Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little bit of harvesting. Admittedly, I have been harvesting and have not been recording it, so I apologize for that. But as you can see, some of our squash plants have already succumbed to squash bugs and vine borers. So it is what it is. At least this year we planted enough so that we could combat that. So you see that? Yeah, that's not edible. We'll compost that. See. Okay. I think I see one down on this other end. Corn is looking fun. Yeah, got some in there. I might actually have a butter shot on the other side. I'm gonna go around back and I'll be able to get them from there. Okay. So unfortunately it is getting a little dark outside, so I apologize for that. I think I'm going to leave that one until the morning. I'd like a little pineapple sage this evening and some tea. Sounds delicious. That should be plenty. Oh, maybe a little lemon balm too. And how about a little mint? Oh, that is not mint. Wait, yes it is. And a little mint. Okay. There are some beautiful, beautiful, honeycomb tomatoes that are ready. As well as some golden nuggets. Everybody's getting ready for the 4th tomorrow. Lots of fireworks already. These honeycomb hybrids are stunning. I'll just get the darker ones. All right, everybody. It got a little dark outside, as you can see. I just was getting excited and I don't know. You know how it goes in the garden. You lose track of time. Anyway, so this is what we got. Some gypsy peppers, some Anaheim peppers, a few cherry tomatoes. These look gorgeous. These were the honeycomb hybrid, and these are the golden nugget. Some mint, some lemon balm, pineapple sage, and because I had a little dental work done this morning, some toothache plant. So I'm going to make a tea of those things and kind of soothe my gums. Oh, and how could I forget? The first ground cherries of the season, and of course our beloved yellow zucchini. Please excuse the fireworks that are going off right now. Hopefully you guys have a beautiful, healthy, and safe 4th of July. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye-bye.